Welcome to Nick Tech Tips, and today I'll be showing you how to set a custom theme for Google Chrome. So first, what you want to do, you want to click on the link in the description to go to this website. From there, all you have to do is press upload an image, the green one, and then select the image you want and open it. From there, press number 2, generate colors. And then if you want to fine tune any of the colors that's been set, you can just press images here, and from here, if you go over it, you can see what's being changed. So let's say you want to change the toolbar, so this red part that's selected, you can just go over here and press this box here that's yellow, and then we can press red or blue. So I think I like the blue one. We can click away, and there's our blue one. Also, if you want to add a little picture in the corner here, you can go over the NTP attributions and then press choose image. And then I've got a picture here, and then that picture will be in the corner there. So when you're happy with all of these, you can also check the colors here, which can change all the text colors. So this one here will change the tab text color. So I might want that purple. And also you can change how the background looks by changing the background image settings. So when you're happy with all of these, you can then go up here to basic and then press pack and install. And then down the bottom you want to press continue because this is safe. And then up the top press add theme. And there you go, there's our custom theme. And when you make a new tab, here's our picture. So in here there's a lot of different settings you can change around with. You might want to have a play around with it if you want to try it at home. Alright, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, press the thumbs up or subscribe, and if you got any questions, just comment below and I'll help you out. Alright, thank you.